Hey, it's Bitty Penny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the DREAMZ Etc box. This is the July and August boxes together. I really just took everything out of the two boxes that I received and put them in the center of my table here, and I'm gonna start unboxing. So this is a subscription kit, and it is amazing. You'll see me share it here on my channel each month, and I just love it. So this is some washi stamps, and I just decided to stick them on this tin, but I've been wanting to make altered tins, so I'm really excited about the plain tin itself. It has washi tape in it, and like lots of charms and sequins, or not sequins, but charms and enamel pieces. I mean, just absolutely lovely. Look at those flowers. You guys, I had to speed this up. I was moving at a good rate anyways, but it did take me over 30 minutes. There's just so much in this box. It is amazing. All of that washi tape came in it. Um, it's hard to know wherever to even start. Here's some more washi tape, and look at how that bag is embellished. Um, I just absolutely love it. I love this, the trim. I love this brooch that is on the bag. Oh, it's just so lovely. And then this fabric bag, and inside it had more trimmings. Oh, it's just so amazing, you guys. It always feels like it's a special occasion. I feel like it's my birthday every time, or Christmas, or something like I've never felt before with kids. It's just makes my heart just so happy to unbox one of these. So, I mean, just absolutely gorgeous trim. I love this velvet trim. I've never bought those Tim Holtz assortments, but it reminds me of that. And all these little details, I can't believe, like that bow there, and all the different embellishments that she added, and all of the fabric. I mean, there's just so much here. I've often thought, like, oh, maybe I could focus one month and try to like use up a whole kit, and it's just impossible. But I am starting to build a stash. I didn't have a lot of lace and trims before I started this subscription, and now I have a variety, which I really love. And it's not overwhelming. You know, you get plenty to make a couple of projects, and then you're done. So that's really nice. Um, I love all the fabrics that came in this month. This is like a cotton, and I could totally see that there's basically like 5 focal points there. I've really been wanting to make like some slow stitched covers for my junk journals, and I just haven't yet. But again, just gorgeous fabrics. This little box, the way she packages everything, like all of this can be turned into something. I just love it, you guys. I gush and gush every single time I unbox one of these because I love it that much. I don't even know what's in all of these. I didn't see a sneak peek. It's just a surprise, and that makes it even more fun because every little detail and every little surprise is so special. I am going ahead and like taking certain pieces apart, and I love the thought that she put into these. Like, these are washi stickers, and she just bent the corner down a tiny bit so that you could still use the sticker. So smart and clever, but she wants it to be a beautiful experience, like you unboxing it. She wants the supplies that she puts in there to be something like this envelope that you can reuse. Isn't that a beautiful pink glassine envelope? Lots of gorgeous stickers, which I don't have in my stash. I mean, I do now because of DREAMZ Etc, but before that I didn't. So I'm always excited to receive these. Um, Very, very exciting. And then here is some more. I mean, even this twine, I just save every bit of it. And you know, even the plastic bags are very helpful in organizing things and keeping things. So I'm always excited about those too. This one's really pretty. This like transparent bag with the flowers on it. I mean, Beautiful. Some doilies and different patterns, and then some journaling cards. A lot of times the kits will have Prima paper, which I adore. I adore Prima paper, one, because of the designs, it's beautiful. Two, it's double sided. Three, its weight. I like the weight of Prima paper. So I always get excited when I see a Prima collection in there. And then this really cool planner came this month, which I like. And I love the stencil. This is another Prima product. So it's a stencil, and look at those stamps. Oh, I just need to make some ephemera. Let's do that soon. Um, and then this, which this cracked me up getting this because it's gorgeous, but I had ordered some Tim Holtz flower stencils, and I was like, if I had gotten this, I wouldn't have probably placed that other order, but I'm just really happy to have it in my stash. So let's see what's in here. Oh, just a bunch of beautiful stuff, I'm telling you. This big, gorgeous butterfly sticker. Again, I love all those like sewing notions, like this one, like the butterfly that she put in there, all the ribbons and bows and butterflies. They're just fabulous. I have some journals I've been working on, you guys. I cannot wait to share them with you. I've been making 6 journals. I've been working on a lot of kind of secret stuff that you'll get to know more about next week, but I've been very busy, and that's why I haven't had a video out, because it's stuff I can't show you yet. Look at this stamp set. How fun is that? I am a sucker for mushrooms. I was talking to one of my crafty friends the other day, and I was like, I am such a sucker for mushrooms. I don't know what it is. I just am. I'm just going to embrace it and run with it, but they make me happy. Here's another beautiful bag filled with fun stuff. So I'm going to put these stickers and different things to the side and kind of dig in here. It has all these different tags. I think there were about 20 of them in here in these 4 different colors. And those are nice. They're really more like labels than tags, but they could be a tag too, any way you want to use it. I like that Jen supplies in her kits like so many like foundations. Like you get all the trim, you get these different like labels and tags and stickers and things that you can just use throughout your crafting and on different projects. I really like that a lot. Now, typically, you guys, I would show you the printables that come with these kits, but this time I didn't have that done, and I haven't had a video out for y'all this week, so I just went ahead and I'm releasing this without showing you the digitals, but the kits do come with the digital printables as well. So that is something to keep in mind, and check out the DREAMZ Etc shop so you can learn more about it. The kits did go down in price. Isn't that amazing? Everything else around you is going up, but these kits went down, which is awesome. I think they're one of the best, like, most affordable and like most product for the price kits out there. If this is the kind of stuff that you like, this is definitely, I think, the best value on the market. I've looked at other comparable ones, and this one just blows them away. So if this is the kind of stuff that you like, I encourage you to go check it out. So I'm showing you all the different labels and beautiful, lots of journaling cards came in this. And then I'm going to get into these bigger pieces. Like I'm telling you, it's just the kit that just keeps on giving here. Here is the project sheet for July, which was a travel journal. I can't wait to put that together. It only requires like 1 sheet of instructions, and then she gave like visuals as well, which I love. And one of the things I love about Jen's creations is how she builds a page. It is unlike anything I've seen before. Her construction of a journal is so out of the box and beautiful. So I'm definitely going to follow her instructions on that. That is one thing that I'm looking to do in 2024. One of my goals is to learn more varied and practice more varied ways of building my pages rather than folding all my sheets in half and always kind of doing the same thing. I'm wanting to vary my construction of journals in 2024. Just a little goal I'm looking forward to. Look at that paper that's sewn on. There was this beautiful like transparency paper and all of this beautiful scrapbook paper. Just gorgeous, you guys. So if you don't have a printer, do not worry. You are getting so much value in this box besides the printables. I mean, the printables are like the cherry on top, a big one. It's like a bowl full of cherries on top. But if you don't have a printer, there is so much value. You are still getting at least 2 to 3 times the value in this kit as to what you pay in physical product. Oh, I loved this perfume bottle. It has stickers inside of it, but I'm totally going to use that as a journaling spot in one of my journals. I love it so much. I know, I'm just gushing, but this is how I feel when I unbox these. This is my honest to goodness opinion and just how I feel. It's contagious, it's infectious because it's just genuine. And I did feel like this kit just kept going and going. And look at this, these gorgeous frames, which are like chipboard frames, and then this beautiful tissue paper. It's just amazing. And then look at this. This is a flower cart easel card. I cannot wait to put this together. She already printed it for you. So see, this is probably going to be a digital, but she provides the printouts. So no stress about the printer. And her printer prints much more beautifully than mine. And some more Prima paper. I bet that's for the base of this card because it's so sturdy. I can't wait to make it. I will be back to make that card with you all, the easel card. I'm also going to make the journal, but we're going to have to see it in October, my friends, because September is almost up and I am a busy, busy girl. Okay. I don't know if y'all seen it yet, but I am a part of Craft Roulette's World Card Making Day festivities. I hope you will come hang out with us. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so everyone block off your calendar for October 7th because you're going to want to hang out with us most of that day. Here is everything that's in the kit. I will leave DREAMZ Etc linked down below. I do get the kits in exchange for sharing about DREAMZ Etc on my channel, but all the opinions are of my own, and I purchased this kit for months before receiving it. I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.